We'll guide you through how to fix the set automatically date and time setting grayed out and not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as it means you then can't go and change the date and time. So to get started, we'll go and open up our settings like so. Scroll down and go and find general, and then scroll down and find date and time. And you can see that it's grayed out. So to go and fix this, come back to your main settings. Scroll down and you need to go and find the option for screen time and tap there. Then scroll down and click on change screen time passcode. What we need to do is go and turn this off. So press turn off. And you then need to go and enter in the passcode like so. And now that it's turned off, if you don't know the passcode, you have to get the person who does to enter it. You want to then return to the date and time setting. So we'll tap here. And as you can see, I can then go and switch it off and I can set it manually. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.